Hello children, welcome to Kids Worksheets. Today we will read E family words. Let's start. N-E-T, net. Say with me, net. N-E-T, net. Net. D-E-N, den. 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 T-E-N, ten. Ten. R-E-D, red. Red. H-E-N, hen. Hen. B-E-D, bed. Bed. J-E-T, jet. Jet. P-E-G, peg. Peg. Repeat the words with me. J-E-T, jet. Jet. N-E-T, net. Net. P-E-T, pet. Pet. W-E-T, wet. Wet. B-E-T, bet. Bet. V-E-T, yet. Yet. G-E-T, get. Get. L-E-T, let. Let. M-E-T, met. Met. S-E-T, set. Set. Y-E-T, yet. Yet. E-N, N. D-E-N, den. Den. T-E-N, ten. Ten. H-E-N, hen. Hen. M-E-N, men. Men. P-E-N, pen. Pen. B-E-D, bed. Bed. F-E-D, fed. Fed. L-E-D, lead. Lead. R-E-D, red. Red. W-E-D, wed. Wed. E-G, egg. B-E-G, beg. Beg. L-E-G, leg. Leg. P-E-G, peg. Peg. E-G-G, egg. Egg. Let's revise E family words. The CVC words. Let's revise. N-E-T, net. D-E-N, den. T-E-N, ten. R-E-D, red. H-E-N, hen. B-E-D, bed. J-E-T, jet. P-E-G, peg. J-E-T, jet. N-E-T, net. P-E-T, pet. W-E-T, wet. B-E-T, bet. V-E-T, wet. G-E-T, get. L-E-T, let. M-E-T, met. S-E-T, set. Y-E-T, yet. D-E-N, den. T-E-N, ten. H-E-N, hen. M-E-N, men. P-E-N, pen. B-E-D, bed. F-E-D, fed. L-E-D, lead. R-E-D, red. W-E-D, bed. B-E-G, bed. L-E-G, leg. P-E-G, peg. E-G-G, egg. Thank you kids.
Thank you बच्चों. I hope you like this video. I hope this is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe.